And to those, there's somebody commenting it that Manang Lina went to the mountain. You know, it's a view. You know, it's a view. It's a beautiful view. It's just catering a simple life and where she lives and what she saw. You know, so just be what do you call that? Just think it that before you say something, think it if you're not hurting somebody else, you know, because for me, you know, it's in myself, I'm already used to it. I'm already been used on those kind of comments. I just read it and didn't mind it. But to those new bloggers, you know, it's not easy process on their mind, because sometimes it's difficult to understand why is it there are so much hate in the cyberspace. Just live like a flower, just bloom as this, right? What we gonna do in this is we're gonna put some bamboo on it as a design. Just cut half of the bamboo and then paint it. That's what we're thinking to do. The whole bamboo and then paint it with grain. You know, tarungan camera, nanay. Alright. Because until now, nanay doesn't know where to put the camera. Is it in the soil or in the sky? Yeah, but so far my plants is very nice. This one is tambok mo ni Kaisa, nanay.
Wow lang, ano na siya.
Look at
Lahi mo
that.
na siya.
Very big. Maybe because it's under the septic, it's above the septic tank.
Tambok ka na stay.
You know?
Pwede ko nun ni gagmay big. Tuyo kila siya. Pila kalugas ba? Ayaw ipadoos panuan kay mamatay. Ayaw lagkauti. Pero babaw, ituyo ka ng gagmay. Skilid. Maabot magyapon ang kuan. Gamot. Ayan lang ang uban o mamatay yun yan. Mudak ko niya ng kahuya o. Ayan lang nagkuan.
Nanay, ako rin ito. Ako ibalhin.
Naman isa pa. Naman isa pang kahuya. Pag video in town na nang kaya na nakay-upload sa inyong video. Masaan? Nakay-upload sa inyong
Saan nakadabuan na makubra?
ayaw pa ng baling anang mga storya. Hindi na sila makabusog nimo.
Mamatay na maigo ng udlot. Parat ba yan na kayo? Asan man sila jik-jik? Diba?
Lang hulyo.
Ha? Naya silang hulyo na?
Mali hapon abot.
Ay kagwa. Kisa may naglakaw.
Di ko ang hulyo.
Wala sa na itong kalibunan eh.
Ambot lagi.
Ito kalipon dito makatagsibo.
Sila ba si Julio mag-ID? Rado.
Look at this flower.
Nasakturo na. Ay, taas na kayo.
Maguna pa kag siwa.
Yeah, so again, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a good day. Thank you so much and God bless. Bye-bye. Ayaw sa kanila ka.